What is up, everyone? So it's me, Justin, and I'm back with a new video. You know how these what's in my backpack videos are popping out here and there? Everywhere, like STDs.
Nice
no one really
approach.
tells you how to make these videos, like no one teaches you. So I'm gonna grab this opportunity to teach you guys how to film a what's in my backpack video. If you follow these simple steps, you're gonna make the best what's in my backpack video ever. And this video is especially catered to those med students who want to make a what's in my backpack video so that everyone can know what's in their backpacks. Are you ready? Let's go. First rule is that you have to let everyone know that you're a med student. You have to be as blatant as possible. Just get to the meat and tell everyone in your intro that you are indeed a med student. I'm a medical student. Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Justin, a second year medical student. Med student. Second year. Med. Road to MD. You might even go as far as wearing a med school shirt just to make things clear that you are a certified med student. Med school. I'm in med school. Got that? So next thing is that you should have a backpack. Welcome to my what's in my backpack video. And you know, these people watch what's in my backpack videos to know what's in your backpack, right? False. They really want to know what brand your backpack is. So without anyone even asking, just tell them the brand of your backpack. Where did you buy it? And from what country did you buy it from? That's very, very, very important. And now we have you can see here, an Anello backpack. Some people prefer to call it Anello, whatever floats your boat, right? I got it from Japan, but no one really asked. That's what they watch these videos for, to know what brand your backpack is, so just tell them right away. Next thing on our list is very much related to that previous step. We have to flex your overseas items, even though they can buy them here in the Philippines. And we have brands here that sell that kind of item or those items. Just tell them that you bought those items from overseas, from other countries. Even though your viewers can buy them here, to add extra pizzazz and extra points to your ego. Let's go on to the main compartment. So I have here, my tech pouch that I got from Mumuso. But I didn't buy it from here in the Philippines. I bought it from Madagascar. Of course, there's Mumuso shops here in the Philippines, but I want to let you know that I got this pouch from Mumuso from Madagascar. Next is that you have to assume that your viewers don't know the use of common day-to-day objects. Pretend that they do not know anything at all. If you have like a common item, just explain what it's for, even though everyone uses that on a day-to-day basis. This is a laptop pouch where I put in my laptop. This is my school ID, so they know who I am. This is my wallet where I put my money in. These are my condo keys, so I can get inside my condo. Just pretend they don't know shit. And that is followed by our next step, which is to give a rationale to all the things inside your backpack. If you can't explain what it's for or why you bought it, then don't take it out at all. And you have to have like a cute backstory for why you bought it and why it means so much to you. Because it's a what's in my backpack video, right? What's in my backpack. And this keychain, it's Castiel from Supernatural, and he means a lot to me. That makes me a stronger person. So you have to like make it as colorful as possible. If you don't have a backstory for the thing you bought, let's say you just bought it in a store out of like necessity, then just make one up. It's so easy. This is a filed pencil case where I put in my pens and stuff like that. I got this back in undergrad because today I almost stripped in class. And that made me so emotional. And this got me through the day. This pencil case got me through the worst day of my life, wherein I almost tripped in front of everyone in class. Next is that you have to like insert quirky traits. Like your quirk makes you zany. It could be like a thing that you have, like an inclination towards something or a habit. Fun fact about me, I have here in my backpack chopsticks because I don't like using a spoon and a fork to eat my meals because I'm unique like that. Also, because it's very important in my what's in my backpack video. My favorite colors, blue, cobalt blue, cobalt. Just act like you're unique or special, and that'll get you more viewers. I guarantee it. And on to our last rule. This is where it gets complex. Whenever you pull out a gadget, you have to pretend that you don't know the model or generation of that gadget. But you have to give out hints that you do know a bit, but not that much, just to give that I don't give a fuck vibe, because I'm a responsible adult. This is an iPad. I think it's 10.5 inches. I'm really not sure. I'm not really sure. It's just an iPad. I don't know. How am I supposed to know, right? I think it's like an Air or something. I really don't know, guys. I really don't know. That's where acting skills come in. That's all the time we have for this video. If you made it to the end of the video, don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and comment down below. And always remember to put a smile on your face, because a smile is the best thing that you can wear. Bye!